Hey guys, this is Cody and I have Miss Angie here this time. We are actually going to be doing a tour of the house. A lot of people have wanted to see it and we've kind of just been doing videos about it, so this time we're going to walk you around. And here's your tour guide.
Well, as my daughter would say in her videos when she was little, hey guys!
Oh my
Come, let's do a tour.
You're a nerd. I see nothing but great things in what's about to happen to this video.
All right, this is our entrance.
Well done, babe.
Come on in. This is our kitchen, dining room, living area.
I really like about this, about how it's open and how it's a big kitchen and how it goes into the dining room.
We had, I think, almost 100 people in here last weekend for our housewarming party and did good.
Would you say that, like, what personally for you, is the kitchen your favorite room, or?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I feel like it's where we spent the most time.
I like the big bar top and this little secondary bar top over there because it gives, like, the room for, you know, sitting around and entertaining.
Here's all of Cody's heads.
You always call them heads. Why?
What should I call them? Furry friends?
Furry friends. These are animals that I have hunted, but yes, they are furry friends. This is the living room. So, tell us about it.
I mean, what is there to tell? That's the fireplace.
Well, why did you set the room up like this? So give me some insight into that beautiful little brain of yours.
I mean, we tried to use most of the furniture we had from both of our houses, and this is the couch I had at my house. You know, coffee table you had at yours. We try to make all the furniture fit as best we could into the new space.
I think one thing I think you did really well is that you kind of, with this corner piece of the couch, it kind of directs everybody at the TV and the fireplace. And I think when winter comes and we can actually like have the fireplace fixed, we can have a really good time sitting around in here. I feel like we don't use the living room enough.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll spend a lot of time here in the winter.
All right, so
Cody's office.
My office slash greenhouse slash where the chickens lived slash where the magic happens, I guess.
Yeah, we're still fixing this room up a little bit more, but
yeah,
this
works for now. Yeah, I like it. I think I did a good job organizing it, but I do want it to be a little cleaner. But I love being able to have all my plants here, and a lot of my plants are growing so much now that we're in like a humid environment compared to Colorado. And then you can see the chickens out there in their little house. All right, keep going, babe.
All right.
Killing it.
The rest of the house.
So this is would be the guest bathroom?
I suppose so.
One thing I love about this guest bathroom is that it has the big shower here. So that, you know, if we had a guest sleep on the couch or in one of the other rooms, they can come in and, like, you know, get a good shower, get clean, and not have to worry about waiting for our bathroom, you know.
True. Here's our garage. And our very expensive lawnmower.
Well, we need a big lawnmower for the, you know, for the property. But, you know, hopefully with my travel claim, it will pay for that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, where are we going now, babe?
Next bathroom.
Cool.
This is the kids' bathroom.
Nice. And so you added that rack over there in the corner, right?
Mm-hmm. For Caitlin's products.
All of Katie's many hair products that a young teenage girl needs.
Yep. Kurt's room.
I like Kurt's room. I think it's like, you know, very relaxed feeling. And then my rug here, obviously, is the best item in the room.
And then here's our room.
Oh. In your office.
In my office where I work. Some pictures of us. And our bathroom.
Ta-da! Boom. Closet. Obviously, Angie's got some clothes.
So do you.
I mean, not nearly as many.
My clothes are smaller.
Oh, okay, babe. You calling me fat?
Caitlin's room.
Katie did good with her room too, I think. I like that. I like her decorating style. It's very like yours, kind of clean. Lots of white. Makes it look bright in here. All right, so
Should we go on to the Airbnb?
we can go to the Airbnb.
All right, so this is the Airbnb side of the house. It's right by this door that we keep locked when we have guests.
So before we go see the Airbnb, I just want to ask, like when we were looking at houses, right? When you called me and told me that you knew this was like a good house for us, what did the Airbnb do in that decision?
Well, initially when we started looking for homes, we were looking for just a regular house that would be big enough for us and the children. And we put 2 offers in. The offers did not get accepted. We were starting to get discouraged. So one night I was just, browsing on the internet late at night, and I decided to basically remove the price limit. And then I just happened to find this house, and I was like, okay, I love this place. So I called my realtor friend the next morning, and I was like, I want to see this house. Because by looking at the pictures online, I figured there was a potential to Airbnb half of the house and then, make up for the mortgage payment that way. And we came to see the house and we loved it. And here we are.
So the Airbnb, you would say, is like, you knew from seeing the Airbnb when you came in person that if we did get the house, that the Airbnb was going to be like an asset. So part of the house would already be an asset before we've even done anything. You kind of knew that from seeing it?
Yeah, I knew your dream was always to have a farm and have land. And it was kind of like a way to make that dream happen even before you retired.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you. I love you, baby.
Yeah.
All right, let's continue. I'm done with my questions for now.
So this side of the house has its own entrance too.
And this is the entrance for the Airbnb folks, right?
Yes.
Cool.
And we have apple trees out here that the deer love.
Oh yeah, you gotta love my deer that abandoned me. And there's the bee lady. So
Yeah.
that's cool. Love it. I love that we got the bees. We probably should have there we go. There's some light. All right, let's do the master first?
Sure. I still can't figure out all the lights.
I know this house has so many
Like
switches.
a million light switches. So here's the primary bedroom. It's nice and big. This would be cozy in the winter with the fireplace.
I know. When I saw the pictures which you sent me before we got the house, I remember seeing the bed, looking at the fireplace with the TV, and I was like, man, I can't wait to have that room. And then it was part of the Airbnb.
So when we moved in, our number one priority was to get the house ready for Airbnb since it was summer, and we wanted to start making money as soon as possible. So I think it took us a week to have the Airbnb up and running.
We moved, if I remember correctly, we moved most of the stuff into the Airbnb before we even moved into the actual house.
Yeah.
And this is the master bath, correct?
Yes.
Let's see. Oh. I still don't know all the switches in this house. I love this bathtub and how it like looks out, and you can see like usually the deer are out there underneath the pear trees and by the fig trees and stuff. This is a very cool bathroom in my opinion. The columns are a little much, but you know, I like it. And then the shower. And then little double sinks. I think that's cool too. And the closet, which is freaking our bigger storage area.
Yeah, we still haven't unpacked.
Well, this is most of our winter clothes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
We'll get around to it.
I can't get this key.
This week.
All right. But cool. My yak head.
Second bedroom.
Second bedroom. I like this room too. It's simple. I like the chair. I think the chair was a cool find on your part.
I like the view of the willow trees.
Yeah, I love the willow trees. They're one of my favorite things about the property. I love how big they are, you know? And they like they blow in the wind.
Oh, gym.
Yeah, we can see the gym.
Cody's workout equipment.
I like that we had a lot of workout equipment and we're able to outfit the gym with that equipment. Like we had enough stuff between the two of us so that we could like make it, you know, not a full gym obviously, but it was enough that like a good travel gym, you know. I like that we'll sit here and look out on the pond and, you know, the bay and everything, and you can see the pool if the pool was open. I think that's a really cool setup here.
Yeah.
All right. Wanna go upstairs? All right, let's go. I love that my little birds are still here. I think they're cute. Don't hate on my birds.
Try to find a spot for everything.
Our random stained glass that's here.
Bathroom.
And then I think this is the coolest area in the house, don't you think so?
Yes, I love this room. We got a pool table, our kitchenette.
Yeah, this is a pool table that Angie was able to find while we were moving back from Colorado. How many times did you ask me, babe, did I want to get a pool table?
Well, I was trying to save us time. But yes, our truck was breaking down on the way back from Colorado. And this table was in Hampton, and that was on our way home. So I knew that the next day we were going to be moving all day. And for us to go and pick up the table was going to take us an hour and a half. And then another hour and a half back. So I put a lot of pressure on Cody to pick up the table
A lot of pressure.
on the way back.
I love the high ceilings too. I know I'm saying I love a lot in this video, but there's a lot of things I do love about this house. Like this bar here, I think it's so cool as well, you know? And, you know, just the idea that it gives the Airbnb people like a small kitchenette, you know? I think that was a good idea on your part.
Thank you, baby.
And then the see-through fireplace. Super cool.
We haven't tested this fountain yet. Maybe we'll get to it eventually.
I don't think that pump is hooked up.
I don't know. We will have to clean it.
I can figure it out.
Find out. This is the living area.
My couch is from Colorado.
Red rug.
And rug from Colorado.
Mm-hmm.
I like this space a lot. I think this is super cool.
And then the rest of the furniture we needed, we just bought
Good old FB Marketplace. And now the $1 million view.
Yeah, I love this place. And this is the best view in the house.
Yeah, this is awesome. I love that you can see like out into the Back Bay Wildlife Refuge all the way out there. And you know, we got our access right here, you know, with the kayaks. That goes, look, as high tide goes all the way back. We got the pond. You can see it's flooded back there.
Yeah, the tide's really high.
Yeah. I like that this area, like you can come up here and sit, or you could come up here and just hang out and like look over the pool, you know. If you were like using the pool, you know, you can come up here and hang out and still be part of it, even if you're just up here relaxing. But yeah, I was talking about putting the gardens, doing the, like, you know, tilling once and putting the gardens out here.
By the fence?
Yeah, that way, like, it's kind of out of the way. But that's a later project.
Yep, we've got a lot of projects ahead of us.
We sure do. Like the koi pond. Your face. Yeah, this is the front of it. We do need to get some new lights, though. These other lights that are up here are pretty broke. But other than that, I mean, they still look good, right?
We'll replace them. We'll get to it.
Yeah, is that a chair? That's a chair, right? Cool.
Wanna go downstairs?
Yeah. Where are we going downstairs?
I don't know. You wanna go into the yard or?
I think this is good.
Okay. And then
All right. Well, cool. I think we could probably do a tour of the property like on another time.
sounds good.
Well, babe, do you gotta do like a sign off, like a news reporter sign off for the camera? This has been Angelique reporting.
Out.
On that note, we will be out.